Привет, друзья! Как дела? My name is Fedor, and today you will learn the 17th 50 word set. Okay, it's the 50 words per week, the episode number 17. We have 50 words of different categories. Sometimes the words will even match the English pronunciation or English spelling. So let's get started. The first word for today is going to be дождь. Дождь is rain. Дождь. And дождь, this O is very important. Дождь. It's stressed, and that's why we have to really enunciate it. Дождь. Oh, I forgot to say, this whole list of this 17th episode is available with the first link in the description. Add it to your vocabulary. Practice it with our vocabulary exercises that are designed for you guys to never forget these words and still remember them after a week, a month, and a year after practicing them. Okay? Big promise there. But check it out with the first link in the description. Next word is круг. Круг is a circle. It can be a physical circle. They could draw a circle on the ground, or it can be a circle of influence, circle of friends, things like that. Next, знак. Знак is a sign, either a physical sign or a figurative sign that you see something that would tell you to do the right thing or the wrong thing. Знак. Next, ключ. Ключ is either a physical key or a clue to solve a problem. Ключ. Next we have страница. Страница is a page. Страница. Newspaper, book, страница. It can also be, I guess, figurative page of your life. 2. Фотография is, of course, a photograph or a photo. Фотография. Also can be shortened to just simply фото. Okay? Next we have билет. Билет is a ticket. Ticket on the plane, ticket to the theater, билет. And sometimes also we can use билет for, in our exams, you will have 20 tickets. And each ticket consists of 2-3 questions or maybe a problem to solve. And then when you go to your exam and you kind of have your professor sitting at the table and you pull out tickets. The ticket you pull out, those questions that are on that ticket, you go ahead and write your answers, prepare for the answers, and then you're good to go. Okay, билет. Film is a movie. Film. Film is an actual individual one movie because we have another word here, кино. Кино is also a movie, but кино can be referring to cinematography in a more general sense. Кино. Then we have автомобиль. Автомобиль is, of course, automobile or a car. Автомобиль. Доска. Доска is a board. It can be a board on the wall where you can draw something or write something, but also доска is a wooden thing that is used as a material. Доска. Восток is east. Восток. Next we have кредитная карта. Of course, credit card. Кредитная карта. Автобус is our next word. It's a bus. Автобус or autobus. Next we have сигарета. Cigarette is a cigarette, but in Russian, sigareta sounds a bit more volumetric because there's more vowels to it. Sigareta versus cigarette. Sigareta. Cigarette. And that would be true for a lot of Russian words too. Sigareta, and make sure that whenever you have those vowel-heavy words, that you stretch out the stressed vowel. Sigareta. Okay? Кошка is a cat. Кошка. Then we have ручка. Ручка is a pen. It can also be a handle of a door. It can also be a small hand of a person. Ручка. Сумка is a bag. Сумка. Next we have песня. Песня is a song. Песня. Then we have чемодан. Чемодан means a suitcase. Чемодан. Экран is a screen. Экран. Pretty simple. Then we have подарок. Подарок is a gift. Подарок. And this stem dar means a gift something that you give without a plan to return. Also, dar can be a blessing as a stem itself. Next we have холод. Холод is cold or coldness. Since it's a noun, it's describing the coldness of something. Холод. Полчаса. Полчаса is half an hour. This word or this part of this word, пол, means половина, half. And it's used with other words as well. Полминуты, half a minute. Полгода, half a year. Pol is very commonly used for different things, for measurement. Север is north. Север can be north as location, territory, but also can be direction. Go north. Север. Пожар is fire, but only when fire is a tragedy. Пожар. Next we have passport, of course, is a passport. Next word, interesting one, молодец. Молодец is good job, or you really are calling a person молодец. You're not saying you've done a great job, you're saying you are a great job, okay? Kind of like that. You're describing them. You're a highly valued person. Молодец. Like that. So not really giving a person props for what they have done. We're describing them for their good actions. Next, дружба. Дружба is friendship. Дружба. Next we have марка. Marca is a stamp. Marca. Sometimes also marca can be used to say a make of a car. Like, I don't know, Toyota, maybe Mercedes, and things like that. Next, ложка. Ложка is a spoon. Ложка. Вверх is top or a top. It's a noun, so it describes something, a top of something, okay? Like вверх дома, top of the house. Вверх can be describing your top clothing. Next we have лекарство, which is medicine. Лекарство. Then we have visa. Visa is, of course, a visa in your passport. Карточка is a card. Карточка, or a small card that you put in your wallet. Карандаш is a pencil. Карандаш. Simple enough. Then we have транспорт. Transport means transport. Transport. Not to transport, but transport as a noun. Спичка is a match. Спичка, but also we call a skinny person спичка. Проход is a passage or passageway. Рисунок is a drawing, and рис is a stem, comes from рисовать, to draw. Next we have чтение, a process of reading. Чтение. Then we have копейка, which means a kopeck. 100 of копейка makes up a ruble. But also, right now, it's not really commonly used because it's a very small monetary value. Копейка can be referring to something very, very cheap. Like, oh, it's just pennies. Ah, копейки. Like that, okay? Next, we have переулок. Переулок is a passageway where no cars can drive. Переулок, only for walking. Sport is overall sports, is a general term for sports. Sport. Мыло is soap. And мы as a stem comes from a verb мыть, to wash. So мыло is something to wash with. Проспект is an avenue. Проспект. Мышка is a small mouse or a computer mouse. Okay? Мышка. Аэропорт is airport. Make sure that you don't forget this Аэропорт. Don't say аэропорт. Won't make sense. Аэропорт. Длина is length, and общежитие is a dormitory. Общ is common. Жить is to live. So it's common living premises, where you either share the bedroom or you share the kitchen or the bathroom. Both can be called общежитие. And that is all. That's the 17th episode of 50 words per week. Good job. We have one more next week. And check out Be Fluent with this button right here, or keep on watching our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.